Hello friends, welcome to e-learning session on proximity sensors. Proximity sensor, it is a sensor able to detect the presence of nearby objects without any physical contact. It emits an electromagnetic field or a beam of electromagnetic radiation and do changes in the field or return signal. Let us have a look at different types of proximity sensors. Those are inductive, capacitive, ultrasonic, and IR proximity sensor. Inductive proximity sensor. Let us see working principle of inductive proximity sensor. An alternating current is supplied to the coil, generating an electromagnetic detection field. When a metal object comes closer to the magnetic field, eddy currents set up and result in change in coil inductance. When coil inductance changes, the circuit that has been continuously monitoring will trigger the sensor's output switch. Let us see what are the advantages, disadvantages, and applications of this inductive proximity sensor. Advantages: it has contactless detection, environment adaptability, resistance to common conditions in industrial areas such as dust and dirt, capable and versatile in metal sensing. It has no moving parts, so ensuring longer life, there will not be any wear and tear. Considerably cheap when it comes to price. Disadvantages are lack in detection range, averaging a max range up to 80 mm. It can detect only metal objects. Performance can be affected by external conditions and extreme temperatures. Applications of inductive proximity sensors. It is used in production automation machines that count products, product transfers, and so on. It also used in security systems for detection of metal objects, landmines, etc. Next, we switch over to capacitive proximity sensor. These are contactless sensors that detect both metallic and non-metallic objects, including liquid, powder, and granule. It operates by detecting a change in capacitance. Similar to inductive sensors, it consists of an oscillator, Smith trigger, and output switching circuit. The only difference is that it comprises of two charging plates for capacitation, internal plate and external plate. Internal plate connected to the oscillator. Internal plate connected to the oscillator and external plate used as sensing surface. Working principle of capacitive proximity sensor. It produces an electrostatic field. When an object, conductive or non-conductive, approaches the sensing area, the capacitance of both plates increases, resulting in oscillator amplitude gain. The resulted amplitude gain triggers sensor output switch. Advantages of capacitive proximity sensors are contactless detection, a wide array of materials able to be detected, able to detect objects through non-metallic walls with its wide sensitivity band. It is well suited to be used as an industrial environment. It contains potentiometer that allows users to adjust sensor sensitivity such that only wanted objects will be sensed then. It has no moving parts, so ensures a longer life. Disadvantages of capacitive proximity sensor. Relative low range through incremental increase from inductive sensors, higher price as compared to inductive sensors. And application areas are in production automation machines that count products, product transfers, filling processes, pipelines, inks, etc. Then in fluid level, composition and pressure, moisture control, non-invasive content detection, and touch applications. Next, ultrasonic sensor. It detects the presence of objects through emitting high frequency ultrasonic range. It does so through the conversion of electrical energy. Similar to capacitive sensors, it can detect objects in solid, liquid, granular, or granular as well. Probably the easiest among all, it only comprises an electronic transmitter and an electronic receiver as shown in this photo. Working principle is the sonic transducer emits sonic waves. Sonic waves bounces off the object. The wave that bounced off is then returned to the sensor. Time that it took to emit and receive sound wave is then used to determine distance or proximity. Advantages of ultrasonic proximity sensors. It has contactless detection. It has not affected by object color and transparency, not affected by external environmental conditions. Reliable solution, works well in places with extreme conditions, able to use in dark environment, and it has advantage of low current consumption. Let us have a look at disadvantages of ultrasonic proximity sensor. Limited detection range through capable of higher range. Doesn't work in vacuum since ultrasonic sensors operate via sound waves. Not able to measure the distance of soft objects or ones with extreme textures. Applications areas. It is used for distance measurements in automation process, production processes, fluid detection, in unmanned aerial vehicles for object monitoring, and in robotics. Infrared proximity sensor. It detects the presence of an object by emitting a beam of infrared light. It works similarly to ultrasonic sensors through, instead of using sonic waves, IR is transmitted. Infrared proximity sensors consist of an IR LED that emits and a light detector for detection of reflection. It has an inbuilt signal processing circuit that determines an optical spot on PSD. Working principle is infrared light is emitted from an IR LED emitter. The beam of light hits the object and gets reflected back in an angle. The reflected light will reach the light detector. The sensor in the light detector determines the position or distance of reflective object. The advantages of IR proximity sensor: contactless detection, applicable for daytime and nighttime usage, secured communication through LOS, line of sight, able to measure the distance to soft objects unlike ultrasound proximity sensor, and accuracy of this sensor is not affected by corrosion or oxidation. Disadvantage of IR proximity sensors: it is affected by environmental conditions and hard objects. It requires line of sight between transmitter and receiver for communication. And the last disadvantage is performance dips over long distances. Application areas: it is used in distance measurement. Atom counter: when object cuts the radiating light, it counts as 1. It is used in security systems such as the burglar alarm, and it is used in monitoring and control applications. There are other types of proximity sensors are also available in market. Those are photoelectric proximity sensor, magnetic proximity sensor, and LiDAR proximity sensor. So photoelectric proximity sensor uses high-end photoelectric technology. It emits a light beam that's capable of detecting all sorts of objects. Magnetic proximity sensor, it is used to detect magnetic objects through its large sensing range. It consists of a glass and a metal blade allowing for quick magnetizing. Though it merely senses magnets, it's still great for its low cost and long range and small dimensions. Last recent proximity sensor is LiDAR proximity sensor, light detection and ranging. It is higher end sensing technology that provides excellent max detection range with fast update rates, but it is too costly. Thank you.